So we're back in Hoi An. We found ourselves a great little place to stay in the rice fields. Now I'm off down to the local market to grab our fruit and veg, so I thought I'd take you along. As soon as you walk in, there's colour everywhere. Fresh herbs, tropical fruit, and vendors setting up in the morning. It's busy, but in a really relaxed way. This is why I love bringing the camera down to the market. Every stall has something interesting, different textures, colours, and little moments to bring the locals. Everything here is local, super fresh, and a great excuse to slow down and take some photos along the way. So that's a quick wander through this little market. Simple moments, good light, lots of colour. Definitely one of my favourite places to bring the camera in Hoi An.